Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. So, today from Standard 7 English Medium, Unit 9. What is the unit name? A bicycle in good repair. A bicycle in good repair. I have told you the story of the unit part 1 and part 2. Now comes to the MCQs. Here given the instruction, read the following extracts and answer the questions that follow by the choosing correct option. Here given the paragraph and 3 MCQs. Okay, so the first MCQs is the remark implied. Here given, see, I assured, easily enough in the morning, goes a little stuffy after lunch. Okay, so the first MCQ is the remark implies. The author was early rises. The author liked to cycle in the morning. Option C, the author liked to cycle in the afternoon. And D, the author to be professional rider. So, what is the answer? C, easily enough in the morning. The remark implied. What? In the morning. So, what? Cycle in the morning. So, B is the correct answer. What? B is the correct answer. The remark implies the author liked to cycle in the morning. Now, MCQ number 2. To cycle in the afternoon was. Now see, goes a little stuffy after lunch. Lunch, when we took the lunch, we take the lunch in the afternoon. So, to cycle in afternoon was refreshing, annoying, difficult or easy. So after taking a lunch, we feel what? Annoying. Stuffy. Stuffy meaning the same as the annoying. Now comes to number 3rd. Third MCQ. The mood swings happen. The mood swings happen. See, option A, due to the timing of the day, due to sumptuous lunch, due to heavy lunch, due to light lunch. The mood swings happen. Swings happen when we took the heavy lunch. So C is the correct answer. So here in the first B, second also B, and third is C. Now comes to MCQ. Here given the paragraph. People talk like that who understand nothing about machines. Nothing is easier than talking of a gear case. Then the MCQ. See the first MCQ. The friend cautioned the author about the people. The friend cautioned the author about people. Options. Who were just idiot. Who were just idiots. Who were not his friend. Who were not his friend. Option C. Who knew nothing about machine. And who were non-riders. Who were non-riders. So people talk like that who understand nothing about machine. Nothing about machine. So the friend cautioned the author about the people. What people? Option C. Who knew nothing about machine. So C is the correct answer. Now number 2. The friend was an expert in talking of the gear case. Took him what? Options. 5 minutes to dismantle it. Less than 5 minutes to put it in 2 pieces. Option C. Just 5 seconds to throw it off, and all of the above. So what? People talk that who understand nothing about machines. Nothing is easier than talking of the gear case. So in the paragraph, means chapter, the friend was an expert in talking of what? Talking of the gear case, as it took him less than 5 minutes to put it in 2 pieces. So B is the correct answer. Now comes to number 3rd. Who were affected by the friend's repairs? Who were affected by the friend's repairs? Both the author and the cycle, the bicycle, the author, the friend became tired. Who were the affected by the friend's repair? Who? Both the author and the cycle. Both were the repairs. So A is the correct answer. Now comes to here. The bicycle soared spirit. The bicycle soared spirit as it finally defeated him. The bicycle soared spirit as it finally defeated him. What? A. The handles hit him sharply over the head. He continued repairing it. C. The friend was tired. And D. The author was flushed with victory. So, the bicycle soared the spirit as it finally defeated him. Defeated him when? The handles hit him sharply over the head. So, option A is the correct answer when repaired by the author's friend. Okay, the bicycle soared spirit when it defeated him by handles hit him sharply where? At the head, over the head. So, option A is the correct answer. So, second number. The proceeding were defined as the proceeding. Repairing the cycle. The proceeding were defined as what? The bicycle on the gravel and the friend over it. Friend on the gravel and the bicycle over him. Option C. A rough tumble fight between them. And none of these. So the proceeding were defined as a rough tumble fight between them. Means first friend on gravel and the bicycle over him, and the bicycle gravel on the friend over him. Both. So option C is the correct answer. Tumble. They both fight between them. The bicycle and the friend. Okay. Now third. The ultimately triumph was that of what? The author, the friend, the cycle, or none of these. So the ultimately triumph was that of what? None of these. Okay, none of the above. Okay, then next. Now see these MCQs. Both the author and the friend had decided to go for, where both the author and the friend had decided to go for what? Where? Hunting, a long drive, a long bicycle ride, or a bus journey. So both they have cycles. So they both, author and his friend, decided to go for a long bicycle ride. What? Bicycle ride, because they have bicycles and go through the bicycle, use the bicycle ride. Number second, the author's friend shook the bicycle violently, which the author's friend shook the bicycle violently, which the author what? Approved, could hardly believe, did not like, and both first and second means approved and could hardly believe. When author's friend shook the bicycle, whose bicycle? Author's bicycle violently, the author did not like it. Why? Because his bicycle shook it violently. The author's bicycle. That was the author's bicycle. So the author did not like it. Now number third. Both had what? Both had difference of opinion regarding the wobbling of the front wheel. Both had difference opinion. Both the both had given the opinion about this repairing regarding wobbling of the front wheel. The front wheel was wobbling. Okay, moving. So what is the difference? See, the first, the friend said it wobbled. The author said that it did not wobble. The author commented on the smooth ride. Okay, now and number 4, both a first and second. first and second. So what is the first? The friend said it wobbled, and second is the author said that it did not wobble. Okay, both had difference given the opinion, means the both the opinion, the friend and the author, whatever opinion, they were the different. What's the difference? His friend, author's friend said it was wobble, and the author said it did not wobble, it wasn't wobble it. So option fourth, both first and second, means the friend said it wobble and the author said that it did not wobble. Both, fourth answer is the correct, both first and second. Now comes to number 4. The friend started playing with what? The back wheel, the front wheel, the handle, the seat cover. Both the friend started playing with what? The front wheel. The front wheel said it wobbled, and the author said it did not wobble. So the front wheel, the friend started playing with the front wheel. Option second is the correct answer. Number 5. The unscrewing resulted in, talking about the screws. Okay, the rolling of some dozens or so little balls. The settling of some dozens or so little balls. The sticking of balls with one another. Both first and second, means the rolling of some dozens or so little balls, the settling of some dozens and so little balls. So the unscrewing resulted, the result is not proper. The unscrewing result is what? The first. The rolling of some dozens or so little balls, new little balls, the little balls. Okay, the first is the correct answer. Number 6. The gear case was, not to be taken out, to be repaired, or both first and second, means not to be taken out or to be taken out. So the answer is the gear case was not to be taken out. The gear case was not to be taken out. That is the answer. So dear students, these are the MCQs of the unit. I hope you understand about the MCQ and chapter as well. This MCQ you must write in your notebook. Thank you.